Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to download your Canva designs as a PowerPoint file from Canva so you can present or edit them in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a great way to combine Canva's design features with PowerPoint's presentation tools. On your Canva dashboard, click the Share button in the upper right corner. Then, click this option here. Once you're there, click Download. In the Download menu, change the file type. By default, it is set to PNG. To save it as a PowerPoint file, select PPTX, which is the Microsoft PowerPoint file type. Once you've selected that, click Download. Now just wait for the file to download and convert. When it's done, check your computer to confirm the download. As you can see, your project is now saved as a PowerPoint file. And that's all there is to it. We hope this helped you download your Canva design as a PowerPoint file quickly and easily.